Hey teachers, with General Conference coming out this week in the Gospel Library app, this is a perfect opportunity to show the students how to update their app and then also to set a study plan to dive into these talks in the coming months. Remember what President Nelson invited us to do at the end of General Conference when he said,
I hope you will repeatedly study the messages of this conference throughout the coming months.
So the first thing you want to do is make sure that their app is up to date. So click on the home button there, and then they're just going to pull the screen down and it'll show that it's updated. If they're not sure if it's updated, they could go into settings and it shows that it just synced 3 seconds ago. Then have them go down to study plans, click on the custom plan, and then select content, General Conference, April 2024. I'm going to set a schedule to do it daily for about the next month. And I'll repeat this a couple times before General Conference starts again, but I want to listen to one talk each day. I'm going to click Next. Once I've set that up, I'm going to have a reminder each day, and I can change the time to whatever I want that to be. So I'm going to have a reminder each day. I'm going to click Next, and then I'm going to save. Once that's created the plan, it will show up here in your list of My Plans. You can click on it to see which talk each day that you need to listen to be on track to listen to one per day. And then you can also click on View All, and it gives you a little bit more details about the study plans that you've created. That's it. What a great opportunity for our students to get in the habit of listening to the words of prophets every day on their way to school, when they're getting ready, when they're exercising. There's just few things that'll bless them more than being in the scriptures and being in the words of the living prophets every day. So there you go. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, teachers.